Hello Rosie, this is Rashid from Grabs Infinity. Actually, this is the car I was talking about. Look how beautiful this wheels. This is a really nice wheels. And look at this is brand new tires as well. As you see the hair on them, brand new tires. And this is absolutely beautiful. This is like a selected package. They call it a sensory package. This one. And look at this, beautiful. This has every single feature as well as safety features, like blind spot, lane departure, forward emergency braking, all of that fun stuff. And the inside of this one, it is beautiful. Look at this. It's nice. It has the premium sound system, memory seats, nice leather seats, and nice the dual navigation system, 360 camera, and then it has all the cameras right there. It has the blind spots here, everything beautiful. This is certified as well. We passes 170 point inspection. And look at the front of this car, absolutely amazing. He has a line departure as well. You see the camera on the windshield? That one is like for a line departure keeping. All right, I will be sending you this video. I just want to do a quick video so you can check it out, and then by tomorrow at I did at 12 p.m. like at noon, so I can have the car ready for you so you can check it out tomorrow. All right, thank you so much, and we'll talk tomorrow. Bye bye.